like let's say Gukesh wins this, suddenly Ding's team will change its way of preparing. They'll be like, now every game we have to find a chance.
And how many members are there in this team?
We know 2 so far.
Though we are aware, one is Rapport and the other is Ni Hua.
Okay. And I mean, it's not predetermined or pre-decided or like announced that this is the team.
No, they try to keep it secret.
Okay.
In fact, in a big way, because let's imagine Ni Hua is an expert in specific opening.
Okay.
And if you get to know that Ni Hua is on Team Ding, then Gukesh's team will look through his games and be like, अच्छा शायद ये Ding खेल लेगा.
तो हम लोगों को कैसे पता कि टीम में डिंग क्या है?
अभी वो आया ना उधर.
अच्छा वैसे ही
Venue.
वेन्यू पे आया. Otherwise it's difficult to know. अभी के लिए
नहीं तो मतलब
you
वो
are at the
आते नहीं है,
venue.
बाहर नहीं आते हैं.
गुकेश का कौन आया है? गायेव्स्की के अलावा गुकेश हैज बीन सेइंग आई हैव अ बिग टीम. आई हैव अ टीम, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद देम. कैन यू रिवील इट? नो, लेटर. So we don't know even one member of Gukesh's team except Gayevsky. They have not been spotted anywhere.
पर सागर
आपको तो
भाई,
पता होगा ना.
what if मान लो कि कोई ओपनिंग पे कोई जीएम एक्सपर्ट हो और मैं साथ में उसको लेके चला जाऊं टू कंफ्यूज माय ओपोनेंट
हाँ,
करके.
that is possible. Like you can get someone like Kramnik in your team. People will think कि Catalan. अरे भाई.
That's good. No, I think Chess.com thinking
Out
of
of all
Kramnik.
the names. But Kramnik, why? Because he's known for his opening preparation and his opening ideas. Kramnik Kasparov का जो match हुआ था, the way Kramnik actually neutralized all of Gary's openings. So I think it would be a great pick to prepare for a match. Also his experience.
So in that way, I think I'm very curious to know Gukesh's team. As Balraj Bhai said, I can reveal, but I have really no idea. I don't know who his seconds are. I never asked him.
I have a feeling that some of our Indian players would be a part of helping him. Again, no idea. It's been kept such a secret. But I won't be surprised if we find out later that this Indian young generation में से किसी ने तो
हाँ
help
वही
किया है.
यंगस्टर्स में से कोई
I'll
होगा.
tell you that it cannot be Arjun.
Okay.
Because he's going to
Qatar.
Qatar day after
Correct.
tomorrow to play. It cannot be with
They
it.
did it
He's
in
playing in London.
Bhai, to what extent do people go to find out who's there in the team? Because I genuinely hope you don't get kidnapped.
भाई मुझे नहीं सोचो मेरे को कोई किडनैप करके जा रहा है, बता कौन है. I'm like, सच में नहीं पता मुझे. Like नहीं, तू झूठ बोल रहा है.
कौन कहाँ रखने वाला वो कल.
There's no news about this.
Also, if they're not actively helping during the match, having training camps together is a very big part of preparation for the World Championship. So, yeah, it would surprise me if like these friends, you know, they're also good friends.
Right.
If they haven't worked together, exchanged some ideas. Because at the end of it, चाहते तो सभी है ना भाई Gukesh champion बने and to work towards
True.
that.
True. I agree. I agree.
और
And-
कुछ नहीं तो अनीश भाई का लाई डिटेक्टर टेस्ट तो है ही.
And I also must say that seconds are very, very expensive. You know, like it's not an inexpensive thing to have a world class second, which is why when a player is playing a world championship match, they spend a lot. They spend a lot on building a team. They spend a lot on having servers. They have spend a lot on getting good engines and so on. So उनका cost काफी high होता है. So what Gukesh is making here in money, जो हम बोल रहे हैं 1.7 crore for a win, he's already spent a lot. Roughly like, I don't know, but one strong second, like a world class, could charge anything between 5 to 10 lakh rupees a month, because that is how specialized they are. And if you have a team of let's say 5 of them, then it could go to like 50 lakh a month, and you can do the math.
Fantastic.
कैमरा राइट से सस्ता है कि महंगा है सागर भाई.